Okay, this is gonna be a quick video. There were 3 things I needed to fix on the van. Well, technically there's 4. Headlights, took care of that. Rear end noise, that was the exhaust leak, took care of that. This sliding glass, or this sliding door on the passenger side, takes 2 hands to open it up. Why? And then the next is the passenger's front door handle needs to be replaced. So, this issue, and the reason this is going to be a quick one, in order to open up the sliding glass door, you had to use 2 hands. You put one up here, you'd open it, and then you'd pull with this hand here, and it would just pop right open. Well, I fixed it, and it was no big deal. All you have to do is, there's some spots in here, and I'll show you where the spots are. All I did was hit it with some lubricant. Just spray lubricant, and now it opens with 1 hand. So let me show you what those spots are, and then that'll be it. Okay? Let me show you. Okay, here's the first spot. The door handle, up on top and then down at the bottom. Right where it pivots, just shoot some lubricant in there. Okay, here is spots number 2 and 3. Number 2 is the actual locking mechanism here. Give that a good shot. And then down here, all these pivot points in here, give them a good shot. Next, try to get back up in here on these rollers. I don't think that affected the locking aspect of it, but it sure helped it slide a little better. This is up on the inside. There's a little roller up in here. Go ahead and lubricate that up. Then this is the last spot. This is down at the bottom, and these are just the rollers in here. Go ahead and give them a shot of lubricant. Okay, that was it. I mean, that's how simple it was. I was amazed. And again, it just works great. Not bad for 1997. Anyway, a word about lubricants. If you just use the regular WD-40, it's not gonna last very long. Try to get something that's like a white lithium grease that sticks around a little bit longer. And there you go. That's it. Thanks for watching.